something. We came on an intermodal. Let's go. Woo! Sorry if this is an abrupt start to a video. I did not hear this till I got out of the car. Woo! Intermodal. Yeah. And we're in the right spot. Another train? Yeah, it's probably the same one. What? Does it look like a manifest? It's probably the same one if it looks like this. Oh wow! I don't think I've ever seen this much of these like oil things. I don't know what they are. Look, there's autoracks coming up here. I don't know if that's rare or something, but you don't get to see autoracks with intermodals like a lot. Like, you don't get to see them. So this is pretty cool. We came on a good train. The only thing is we missed the engines, but that happens sometimes. Lights, because I keep on seeing like lights sort of on the bottom of the autoracks, like right there. You can see a light there on the camera. You probably just saw. I looked down and I saw it. So I don't know if that's just because there is lights or what that is. Up to the end. I can hear it going across the junction on the other side. There's the end, down there. All right, that's a nice start to a video. And last car. And there we go. That's the end of that one. All right, train probably gonna come soon, maybe even two. Two green lights there. We may be able to see one or two trains. We have a train. Ooh, go. Let's go, train. I knew there's a train coming. Is this gonna be a race? Oh, it's a short one. Oh, it's changing tracks. Go train. Woohoo! This is cool. 6:15. All right. cool. Got to see a GO train. I don't know if there's gonna be another train. There was 2 green lights. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. All right, so I just saw an Autorack train. Sadly, I couldn't catch it on camera because we are currently driving. So we're going back, so this is gonna be the outro. Saw 2 trains, GO train and a not a manifest, intermodal with Autoracks. And then I saw a Autorack train just then. I knew there was a second train coming. It's getting dark, so we couldn't really, we had to go home. So couldn't catch that, but we caught 2 trains, so that's pretty good. Yeah, so if you enjoyed part 2 of Bayview Junction, then like this video. And if you do like the video and I get more subscribers, so if you click the subscribe button, if you haven't subscribed, and I see a like on the video, then I will do more of this Bayview Junction because I found really good spots. I found all the best spots. Bye for now. All right, I saw the front of a train. I saw 3 lights. We were going too fast to be able to film it. It was probably just the same train, just probably the front, but you wouldn't really see anything apart from the 3 lights, so it's okay, because it's getting dark now, as you can see, because I'm filming outside now. Alright, that's it.